Hello, this is Dr. Kim. Today I'm gonna introduce how to use the GitHub. This is the brief introduction regarding the GitHub, including the introduction and then practical application, how it actually used in the actual research.
Okay, what is GitHub? Well, GitHub is a platform that helps people solve problems by building software together. So, how does it work? This is Sam. Sam works on tractors all day, but not in the way you might be thinking. She builds the software that helps make tractors more efficient. And she does this on GitHub with the help of her team, Vijay, Melinda, and Mike.
Okay, let's see how the GitHub is working. So this is first web page. If you go to the GitHub, so you have ID and password to sign in, and then you can see the project what you have. Some of them are open for the public, so you can make it as a private also. So once you go to the profile, you can see the project like this. And then if you want to have running the project, you can put all of sources, and then you can make the pages, introduction pages like this, right? And you can, if you want to collaborate with the other colleagues, so you go in here, manage to access, and then you invite them. So you can send an email to the invitation, then you can join this project. And the project you can, every member can re-uploading the code and so forth.
And this is the Harvester L700. It's the latest flagship in the company's fleet of tractors. It's full of sensors and processors that produce a ton of diagnostic data. Eddie has a great idea for how farmers might share their data and improve their harvests. So Eddie opens an issue on GitHub. Issues are discussion threads where people can report bugs, request features, or even just ask questions. Sam is the first one on her team to see Eddie's issue, and she thinks that Vijay would be the best person to start the job. And here's where we get into the nuts and bolts. Eddie isn't the only person using the Harvester L700. All over the world, other tractors are collecting moisture data, and they need to keep running smoothly even while Vijay is working on the new features. He needs a dedicated place to experiment so none of his changes end up on the farm before they're ready. So he creates a branch of the code, an alternate timeline where he can safely make changes to the software. Now he's ready to start writing the new feature. GitHub tracks Vijay's changes and saves snapshots of his progress. When he's ready to collaborate on the changes with his team, he opens a pull request on GitHub. Pull requests let you show others the changes you're proposing so they can review and discuss them. This means Vijay's teammates can help with roadblocks and even make improvements. On GitHub, everyone has a copy of the project. So if Melinda has an idea for something that will help make Vijay's work even better, she can add it to the branch herself. GitHub keeps a record of everyone's contributions and feedback in the pull request, alongside relevant messages from the team's other systems. Once the team has signed off on the changes, Vijay can incorporate the new code into the project. The new feature will be available to everyone as soon as he merges it in.
Okay, so here is a couple of code which I already use for my own research. So one of the research is about the machine learning framework for the authentication. So as you can see, the project they have some codes around here. So that the signals and everything, you can run them and then display, and the way of using the neural net. So this kind of thing you can actually link to with them So that is code for this research as an example. So you can connecting both of them. Okay, and then the other project, which I did last semester with my PhD student. So here is again, you can see that some of the article regarding the COVID-19 prediction program, prediction model. Also, they support the code in here. So you click it, then yeah, you can see the all of code. So in this case, it's about written as a MATLAB, but you can, if your project is Python or others, still you can do it. Okay, and then if you want to search something, you can find some code shared by the others. So all things possible in here. Okay. It's up to now. Thank you very much your attention. Hope to you enjoy the video. Thank you.